Mga higala, maayong gabi. Nahibalik na punta ni ato ang tulumanon panglantaw sa kagabihon. Dugay-dugay na tang wala nakahimo og live mga igsoon. Gumikan sa kadaghan sa trabaho. So karon nakahigayon tagamay. So tonight, mga igsoon, let us talk about something that is slowly but surely being restored in our nation. The rule of law. For so many years, we have watched as justice bent under the weight of power, where the rich could skip accountability and where the poor often stood defenseless. The law, which was meant to protect, became a tool of manipulation. But today, under the watch of the present administration, we are beginning to see something different, a quiet revolution of fairness, discipline, and accountability. Indeed, the rule of law is now being championed in the Philippines. Justice is once again being applied fairly, and accountability is upheld regardless of who stands before it. Dili na nato makita nga ang balaod muiko kung ang sala kay dagkong tao. Karon, bisan kinsa opisyal man o ordinaryong tao, bound by the same law. This is not just a political achievement. It is moral restoration. The rule of law is not about fear, but about fairness. It is not about silencing dissent, but about ensuring that truth and order prevail. The book of Proverbs chapter 21 verse 15 says, "When justice is done, it brings joy to the righteous, but terror to evildoers." And indeed, we are seeing that today. The honest are slowly regaining their confidence in government, while the corrupt and the abusive begin to tremble. This is the mark of true democracy, not a democracy where people can insult the law and walk away, but a democracy where freedom walks hand in hand with responsibility. Ug makita nato karon nga sa matag kaso, sa matag investigasyon, ang proseso gisunod, ang ebidensya gitanaw, ug ang desisyon gisaligan sa kamatuoran, dili sa bulsa o impluwensya. This is what it means to have a system that values truth above political interest. Now, some may criticize. They will say the government is selective or the system is biased. But an open mind will see the change. The system is not perfect. No system is, but the direction is clear. We are moving away from impunity toward integrity, from chaos to order, from personal loyalty to national duty. Ug kung tan-aw nato sa legal perspective, Article 2, Section 1 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution states, "The Philippines is a democratic and republican state. Sovereignty resides in the people and all government authority emanates from them." This means that our laws are meant to serve the people, not the powerful. And this government, through its renewed perfect for institution, is now returning that authority back to where it belongs, to the people. My friends, the role of law is the heartbeat of a nation. When it beats steadily, the nation lives in peace. But when it is ignored, society begins to decay. The late Justice Isagani Cruz once said, "Without law, there can be no freedom." And that is true, because law without accountability leads to tyranny, and freedom without law leads to chaos. Karon nga panahon na nga pagpuyo ta sa kamatuoran, dili nato kalimtan nga ang hustisya dili para lang sa usa ka partido o politiko. It is for every Filipino. For the father who works hard, for the teacher who gives her all, for the student dreaming of a better tomorrow. The Philippines is not perfect yet, but for the first time in a long time, we are seeing leaders who are willing to stand by the law, not above it. We are seeing that the courts working, the truth being investigated, and the system holding people accountable, regardless of who they are. This is the essence of mature democracy, when even those in power can be questioned and when truth can be spoken without fear. Og sa akong tan-aw mga igsuon, kini maog yod ang usa ka pinakapangandoy nga nasugdan karon, ang pagpanumbalik sa respeto sa balaod o sa hustisya. Because in the end, justice that is fair makes a nation strong. But justice that is biased make a nation fall. The rule of law is the soul of our democracy. Without it, we are lost. But with it, we have hope. Hope for a nation where one is above, or where no one is above the law and no one is left behind. And that, my friends, is the kind of Philippines we should continue to fight for. A nation ruled not by influence or emotion, but by the steady hand of justice, truth, and fairness. Kini ang paglantaw sa kagabhion, diin ang kahayag na gadanag bisan pa sa kangit-ngit. Sa atong pagpangandoy ug matarong nga katilingban, ang kamatuoran gayud ang atong suga. Ug sa kangit-ngit sa kasaysayan, ang tinud-anay nga pamunuan, ang labing hayag nga paglaom. Daghang salamat sa inyong pagtan-aw ug paminaw kini inyong higala alagad ug igsoon Jeremias Labahaw Tubigon. Daghang salamat ug maayong gabi kanatong tanan.